What are you saying? I can't hear you. Do you have a pen and paper? Just type in BMW, you'll find me. Bye. Okay. Kids across the street want my YouTube channel, so that's that. What is going on, guys? Quick update video for you guys, real fast. The wheels, the BBS LMs are finally officially for sale. I got them off the car, and shout out to Henry, a fellow subscriber, for hooking me up with his stock set. On his car, he has his own wheels right now, so he let me borrow his stock wheels so I can get the BBS LMs off so I can sell them. Obviously, the car, where is it gonna sit? It's not gonna sit on air, so I need to drive it every day. It's a daily. I drive it every day to work, so I need some wheels, so he let me borrow them. Shout out to you, bro. I love you so much. Thank you so much. Helps me out a lot. Helps me, you know, get money and some time to save up some money to get my next wheels. But let me give you guys quick specs of the LMs, because I know a lot of you, it just goes right over your head because you just don't want to hear it. But for those of you that are interested in buying, I'm not going to ship it, and they're local only. Please just come and take them and get them off my hands. I'm selling them for $500. One of them is slightly bent, like I said in my last video. It'll cost you around $100, $150 depending on the shop to unbend them, so that's why I was originally selling them for $700, but now I'm selling them for $500. If you feel like that's too much, just don't lowball me. I'm not gonna sell it for anything less than $500 because I did get these, you know, fairly recently, and the tires have good tread. So let me give you guys a quick rundown on the wheels real fast. So we have 18 by 8.5, 5 by 120 bolt pattern, so it fits mostly German cars, all BMWs mostly except the E30. 18 by 8.5 ET35. We got a 235 40 18 tire squared, like I said, so they're all the same wheels. This was the wheel that was bent. The tire that he gave me is literally matching the tread of the other ones, so for X drive it is good to go, so you don't have to worry too much about one tire having a little less and then rotational diameter getting messed up and all that crap. So the wheels for the most part are very clean. That's only one wheel that is bent. There's no curb rash, nothing like that. They look very good on my car. If you want to see, if it's your first time on my channel or you're just watching this for the first time, I was in your recommended for whatever reason, go ahead, follow me on Instagram, or not follow me, check out my Instagram so you can see how they look on my car if you want an idea of that. I did post them up on Craigslist, so whoever comes and gets them first comes to me first. First come, first serve. I really don't care who buys them. I just want to get rid of them so I can start putting that towards my next wheel set, because I'm super hyped for that, and the weather's starting to get warmer. Spring is among us, and I'm super hyped. You know, everything's about to get back to normal, and we're gonna go back to our old modding videos only days, but fairly right now it's been kind of hard, like I said a couple videos ago. So I've just been making videos like without mods and stuff, which I really don't like doing, but you know, it's whatever. A lot of you enjoy just watching my videos, which I really appreciate. Thank you so much for that. Back to this, the black on black. A lot of you know that I'm not a fan of it. I do not like it. I just can't stand black on black. You guys already know this, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. I needed wheels for my car to sit on because I have no wheels then, and I need to drive my car every day to work, like I said. So the one thing I do like about this is the fitment. I'm a huge fan of how the car is sitting and how the coils have, you know, basically brought the car down to perfect race stance. Personally, in my opinion, I feel like the back could be raised up a little bit more. I would raise up the back a little. If my next wheels are pretty much the same height of this tire and wheel set, if it is the same height and if it's just like this, I will be perfectly fine with that. Just the back needs to be raised up a little bit more because it is tucking, and I'm not a huge fan of tucking. It's just not something I'm a fan of. So obviously, a lot of you on Instagram are telling me that you like the black on black, which, I mean, it's cool, you know, to each their own, but I don't like the black on black. I like a certain style of wheel that just shown, because black on black I feel like just covers it up, like I've said before in past videos. But if you do follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that I got a new car, and I covered up the car so you guys can see, because I wanted you guys to guess in the comments. Some of them were right. Super hyped for that video. I'm gonna probably drop the reveal video probably next week sometime. I don't know yet. Probably be the first video of April. But aside from that, that's really it. I'm super hyped for this summer. It's gonna be way better than the last, and I'm super hyped to see and meet some of you this summer, because I will be trying to host a car meet soon, eventually, in New York. So for my tri-state subscribers, please come through. Don't make me stand there alone and feel embarrassed that nobody showed up. But that's aside from the point. Update on the car, it's perfectly fine. I just washed it, it's waxed right now. I probably should make a car wash video this summer. I want to do all the things you guys are asking me to do, because I feel like lately I've just been uploading like for like new viewers. I haven't been really uploading for my subscribers, the people that love watching my videos on like a regular basis, the notification squad and stuff. So I really do want to make a video for you guys. The trim, oh my god, this trim is such a headache. So I ordered one from eBay with the wrong, I didn't order it from eBay actually, I got it from ECS Tuning, but the wire doesn't fit. It fits the LCI model, so The problem with that is that if I do connect that, I can't connect it because it's a female connector. I think I said it in my last video. Basically, once Mike creates that homemade wire, we can make that video. It's super easy to do and it's a very cool install because it adds an LED strand over here. It's not LED, like it is LED, but it's not like a bright white LED. It's like the same LED that is under the door. The really nice little night light that lights up, that gives it a nice little, you know, lighting, like a luxury light. It's like a BMW thing. It's a lot of German cars, a lot of luxury cars do that. It's gonna look super sick because this is kind of plain and the gloss black is gonna look fantastic. One of you subscribers, I don't remember your name, but you keep asking very much about it. I keep thinking about you whenever I talk about the trim, and I'm very sorry. I don't know why it's taking so long to make such a simple video, but eventually we should figure it out. But that's basically it. Shout out to Brian from Keith's Motorsports for hooking me up with this hoodie. I really appreciate it, man. It fits perfect and super comfortable, very good quality. I hope when I make merch one day, it is this same quality because this is really comfortable and it fits very well. So if you guys want this hoodie, hit up Brian on Keith's Motorsports on his Instagram, for those of you that also watch his videos. But thank you so much, bro, once again. But that's really it for this video, guys. I just wanted to update you really fast. Yeah, and life has just been going pretty well. April, I decided to take like no days off. I want to do lots of OT, hit up lots of OT and get my checks coming in so I could do lots of car mods. That's gonna be sick. I don't have my hat because I left it in my friend's car. If you're watching this, I want my hat back. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.